Microlocs and Sisterlocks, two popular lock styles, each with unique characteristics and maintenance needs. Sisterlocks versus Microlocs. Microlocs are smaller than your pinky finger, with the average size resembling a pencil's diameter. However, the lack of a set grid pattern can lead to asymmetry and potential hair breakage. Sisterlocks require a certified consultant for installation. They feature a specific grid layout and a locking technique from tips to roots, minimizing root strain. Installation can take a hefty 36 hours, but they're lightweight, easy to style, and don't require hair products. Regular maintenance is crucial to prevent thinning and breakage. When comparing the two, Sisterlocks are more expensive to install, ranging from $400 to $1,000, while Microlocs are more affordable at $150 to $400. Sisterlocks are also lighter and more customizable, tailored to your hair's texture and pattern. In contrast, Microlocs can be heavier and may result in an asymmetrical look due to their freeform nature. Maintaining both styles involves regular retightening sessions to keep them looking fresh. For Sisterlocks, consult your specialist every 4-6 weeks, and for Microlocs, retighten every 4-8 weeks. Consider your lifestyle, budget, and hair needs before deciding on the lock journey that's right for you.